Hi, in this video I want to show you how to create this 2D drafting. So you can see the orientation of the drawing is 45 degree, and I put the center mark for each circle. Okay, now we go to our AutoCAD software. Okay, firstly I want to draw the line over here. So by using the line command, then I choose auto mode over here. So I click over here, then bring cursor to the right. So I put the value is 120. Then press enter. Okay, press escape. Okay, so scroll to zoom in. Okay, next I want to draw the 45 degree angle line over here. So by using the line command, I choose polar tracking, then over here I click over here, I choose 45 degree polar tracking angle. Then I click over here. So you can see the orientation is 45 degree. So the length I put 25. Press enter. Then press escape. Okay. So next I want to offset this line. So by using the offset command, I put the distance 17.5. Press enter. Then I click this line. Then offset above. Okay, click. Okay, next I want to offset this line upward also. So by using the offset command, once again I put the offset distance 10. Press enter. I click this line, then offset upward. Okay, click, press enter. Okay, so next I want to draw a line over here. So the starting point for this line from here is 30. Okay, so by using the line command, press enter. Then I press shift, right click, I choose from, then I click to this reference point. Okay, over here I put alliance 30, then the angle I put 0. Press enter. So you can see the starting point for this line from here to here is 30. Okay, so I just click over here. Okay, so next I want to offset this line to the right. So by using the offset command, press enter. So I put the offset distance 13. Press enter, then I click this line, offset to the right. Click, press enter. Okay, next I want to draw the circle over here. So by using the circle command, I click to this point. Then for this circle, I want to put the radius 10. Okay, press enter. Okay, next I want to draw the second circle. So by using the circle command, press enter. So specify the same center point. Then the radius I put 3.5. Press enter. Okay, so next I want to draw a circle over here also. Okay, by using circle command, I click to this point. Then I just click over here. Okay, so the radius is same, 10. Okay, next I want to trim. So by using the trim command, press enter twice. Then I trim over here. Okay, so I trim this line, then I trim this circle. Okay, also this line. Okay, I trim this. Okay, then here. Okay, also over here. Here. Okay, press enter. So I'm going to delete this line. Okay, I delete this. And also over here I delete. Okay, I also delete this line. Okay, so now I want to fillet this because I want to create the arc over here. So by using the fillet command, press enter. Then I click to this radius. Then I specify the radius is 10. press enter, then I click to the first object and second object. So now you can see the arc. Okay, so next, by using the mirror command, so I want to mirror this object to the right. Okay, so select the object. Okay, also this arc, press enter, then I specify the first point of mirror line by clicking to this midpoint. Okay, if you don't get the midpoint, so you can go over here. Okay, you can go over here and click midpoint. Okay, so I click to this midpoint, first point of mirror line, then second point of mirror line. Okay, press enter. Alright, so over here I'm going to trim this line. So I trim this line and I delete this line. Okay, so next here I want to create the arc with 15 radius. So by using the fillet command, press enter, then I click to the radius. I put the radius is 15, press enter, then I click to this first object, then second object. Okay, so the final step is we will mirror this object downward. Okay, so by using the mirror command, press enter, I select the entire object except this line, press enter, then I specify the mirror line. So the mirror line, this is the first point, then second point. Okay, press enter. So right, so the next I want to rotate this object with 45-degree orientation. So by using the rotate command, press enter, then select object, press enter, then I specify this as the base point for rotation. So I click over here, then so you can see the rotation is counterclockwise. So we just put negative 45 degree. Press enter. Okay, so done. Okay, next I want to erase this line. Okay, now I'm going to create the center line over here. So just go to the Annotate tab over here. Then you can see the center line over here. Just click and specify the center line by clicking this first line and second line. So you can see the center line. Okay, you also can extend the center line a little bit. Okay, so this is to show that the drawing is symmetrical, right and left. Okay, so now I'm going to create the center mark for each circle. So I just click to the circles and okay, to all the circles. Alright, so press enter. Okay, so as you can see, the orientation for the center mark is perpendicular or 0 degree. So I want to change to 45 degree. So by using the MO command, properties, I open the properties tab over here. Then I'm going to select all of the center mark. Okay, next you can see over here the rotation is 0. So I change to negative 45. Press enter. Okay, so you can see the orientation change to 45 degree. Okay, next I want to label the dimension. So firstly I want to set the dimension style. I want to go to the dimension style manager. Okay, dimension style manager, I want to create the new dimension style setting. Okay, I just name it as drafting 2. Continue. Okay, for symbol and arrows I put 3. Okay, I go to the text tab. For the text height I put 3 also. Then for the text alignment I choose ISO standard. Then in the primary unit I choose precision 0.0. Then okay, just click OK. Then I choose set current. Okay, drafting 2 and set current. Then I click close. Okay, so now we can label the dimension by using the dim align command. Then I click over here and here. Okay, so I get 25. Okay, then I want to measure from here to here. 120. Okay, then from here to here 30. Yes, then from this center mark to here 13. And so next we want to label the radius. So by using the dim radius, just click this arc, then alright, so then I click this arc, this 15, then I click this circle, so R 3.5. So you also can edit this dimension by double click on this text, and I just put R 3.5 times 4. So that's mean there are 4 circles with 3.5 radius. Alright, so you can click to zoom extend. I just click to the zoom extend, then I press Ctrl P on the keyboard. I set the plotting. I choose drawing to PDF, then the paper I choose ISO A4 297210. What to plot, I choose extend, then I click center the plot, then I click to the landscape, then I click preview. So this is our plotting preview. So you can save to PDF by click this icon. Alright, so this is our final drawing. So thanks for watching my video. So don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and tutorials about AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Inventor, and other engineering design software. So thanks for watching. All the best. Bye bye.